to stop bed rotting, get back to your resolutions.
Hi you all, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extremely productive one, or at least a day where I really tried to be productive. So let's go and get the day started. Started the day a little early today, woke up sometime before my class was supposed to happen, had my green tea in the morning and also read a few pages of this book that I'm currently reading, which is called Focus on Your Mindset. Once I was done with this, I started getting ready for my class. Today's day was supposed to be our logbook submission day, so we were submitting our gynae logbooks to get them signed and stamped. And finally, by now, when I'm editing this video, it is signed and stamped, and nothing gives me more happiness because at the end of the year, this is our most important task to get all our subject logbooks signed and stamped nicely. Post this, I came back and had a sandwich with cheese as my breakfast come lunch because I came back around 11:30 12. So I thought of doing a combined meal.
गुड मॉर्निंग नहीं हो रही है, अब तो 12 बज गए हैं. गुड आफ्टरनून. आई एम बैक फ्रॉम क्लास and I am very tired. Last video में a couple of people had commented, तो मैं ये clear करना चाहती हूँ. People were like, are you detained? You're not wearing a white coat and you're going to class. पक्का तुम्हारी extra classes चल रही हैं. These are not normal classes. No guys, if it's hard for you to believe, but I'm not detained. हमारे final year के exams हमारे college में होते ही late हैं. पता नहीं लोगों के दिमाग में I don't know ये ख्याल आते भी कहाँ से हैं. But yeah. So the point is that I'm back and as usual मैं लेने वाली हूँ एक quick सा nap and then I'm going to sit and study. Today is Monday and I really want to crush it this week. I want to study really well, and this video is of course going to be about crushing our 2025 resolutions. I know that now it's almost been a month and जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता जाता है we almost tend to forget our resolutions and everything. तो मैं इस वीडियो से चाहती हूँ to push you guys to stop bed rotting, get back to your resolutions and get working. Let's go. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ just 20 minutes bed rot करने and then I'll get back.
And since now it's almost February, I thought of doing this video to keep a check on my resolutions that I had made for myself in the year of 2025, because 1 month into the year we all keep losing track of our resolutions. My first and foremost resolution was that I need to stop bed rotting and brain rotting. So of course decrease scrolling and decrease the time that I sleep or just lay in my bed, which is why I have again started to get back on my study table. These few days of winters I just wasn't able to get up from my bed and I was studying on my bed only. But after getting on my study table, I feel I'm much more productive and I feel much more better, and my studies also happen in a much better way. Lately, I was reading medicine. I'm trying to revise all of these subjects of final year because my exams are supposed to happen in like a month or so. And those are not my final exams, but those will be prelims. But trust me, I kid you not, I am so scared because these are final exams जिसके बाद हमें doctor बनना है. And I really don't feel like a doctor at this point. So I really need to study so that at least I get the confidence कि नहीं मुझे सब कुछ आता है. Now by evening, it was my yoga time, and this is one of my second big resolutions for the year 2025, that I need to start giving time to my body each day consistently, because the last year, in the last few months, I was very inconsistent with my body and I felt the changes. And so I decided that this year I'm going to be very cautious. Even if I'm giving 15 minutes to my body, I have to give it some time to do some sort of walking, some sort of brisk exercise, or just some sort of physical movement, so that consistency bani rahe. And trust me, consistency is much more important than how much time you're giving to your body. So that is my mantra for 2025. नंबर 3, एज़ आई टोल्ड यू कि मुझे ब्रेन रॉट नहीं करना है, इसलिए आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल बी वेरी माइंडफुल एंड कॉन्शियस अबाउट द कंटेंट दैट आई एम कंज्यूमिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. आई हैव बिन लेटली लविंग दीज कॉन्वर्जेशन टाइप वीडियोज़, इंटरव्यू टाइप वीडियोज़. आई फील बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है ऑन दीज वीडियोज़ एंड आई रियली लव दैम, एंड आई रियली लव वॉचिंग दीज वीडियोज़ और लिसनिंग टू दैम while I'm walking or doing some normal regular tasks.
My 2025 resolution was to reduce ordering out and eat more of good and healthy food in the hostel. So here's me trying to make a healthy dinner today.
In the evening, I decided to cook my dinner myself in the hostel only because this has been another big resolution for me. Alongside giving time to my body, I also have to be extremely conscious about what all am I eating. So in this particular year, I have reduced my ordering and I've started eating more in the mess or just cooking things myself. And trust me, it gives me much more energy and happiness to do this.
Okay, so I just got done with my yoga and मैंने अपनी मम्मी से बात भी कर ली और अब मैं बना रही हूँ अपना डिनर. तो मैंने सब्जी सारी चॉप कर ली हैं. I'm just going to stir fry them. I'm making like a saute vegetable sort of thing. So yeah. और मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्म और शॉर्ट साथ में शूट कर रही हूँ. So it's a little complicated here. और ये हो गया है मेरा सौते वेजिटेबल्स का बोल रेडी. आई एम सो हैप्पी. मैं वीकडेज पे बिल्कुल ऑर्डर नहीं करती अब. आई ओनली ऑर्डर ऑन वीकेंड्स क्योंकि तब मेस भी बंद होती है एंड आई नीड अ ब्रेक समटाइम्स. सो या, लेट्स हैव दिस. आई डोंट नो, ऑन द डेज आई व्लॉग हर बार ऐसे होता है कि मैं एंड तक आते आते बहुत ही थक जाती हूँ. प्रॉब्ली बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग अ लॉट थ्रू आउट द डे. सो आई एम डन विद माई स्टडीज. आई एम डन विथ a few content related things, but a few still remain. तो उनको फिगर आउट करना है. बट अभी मैं बस अपना थोड़ा स्किन केयर करने वाली हूँ. आई जस्ट फील थोड़ा रिलैक्सड आफ्टर डूइंग दिस कि मेरे सिर में दर्द होने लग जाता है बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे बिकॉज सो मच पढ़ाई एंड सो मच स्क्रीन ऑल्सो थ्रू आउट द डे. So yeah, and I'm also done with my yoga. Very happy, and I ate all healthy things today, so very happy for that also. I will just do a few more things and then go to sleep, and we'll have an even more productive day tomorrow क्योंकि कल classes नहीं है. तो I will have the entire day to myself and I can try to do everything that I want. So yeah. Today I was talking to my friend and she told me कि दिन में थोड़ी देर, कम से कम 15-20 मिनट, get out for yourself, alone, just you, nothing else, no other worry. तो ये मेरा वो वाला टाइम होने वाला है. I'm going to sit with my planner and my journal. This is like a very cute notebook भी नहीं, मतलब it's a very cute thing. I got it long back, but ये मैंने अभी तक यूज़ करना स्टार्ट नहीं करी है. So we're going to use this now.
And as I said, one more very important thing that I'm trying to incorporate this year in each day is to give some time to myself, not thinking about productivity, not thinking about my body, not thinking about anything else, but just how I feel, writing those feelings, or maybe doing something to just make me feel good. It could be just coloring a picture, or just watching something, or just playing something, or talking to somebody on call, or just journaling like today.
It's time to finally get my room into night mode. But this is not it. Good night. Good morning. लेट हो गया आज उठने में, बड़ा उठ जाते हैं. My 2025 resolution, not a resolution but like a small promise that I've also made to myself, is to reduce my consumption of coffee. So I'm so happy to tell you that in the past 3 weeks or so, I have not had coffee on any weekday. I had coffee on 2 days. One day when I went out, तभी I just felt like having coffee. तो उस दिन मैंने coffee पी ली थी. And like the craving that I want to have coffee, क्योंकि जब मैं घर पे थी मैं दिन में 2-3 बार पी रही थी, that is gone, and that makes me feel very accomplished. On to my breakfast. Today I'm revising labor everything related to labor basically. रिवाइजिंग इसलिए क्योंकि मैं ये सब कर चुकी हूँ, एक बार और भी रिवाइज़ कर चुकी हूँ बहुत पहले, मतलब जब टर्म एग्ज़ाम था. अभी मैं बहुत टाइम बाद खोल रही हूँ तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत तो भूल भी चुकी हूँ, बट आई थिंक आई बी एबल टू गेट दिस डन जल्दी. लेट्स गो. Relationship between long access of fertilized uterus and long access of dish-related uterus, that's lie. Most common lie होता है हमारा longitudinal lie. Then management of transverse lie in antenatal period is
And as you guys know, mostly after final year, in a few days only, my internship will be starting, and I know it for a fact that I won't be having as much time in my internship to give to content and to give to so many other things like editing videos or just smaller things regarding content. So I have also started to build a team, trying to hire a new editor, and also I've hired a new manager who's handling things for me. So today we were having a content call where we were finalizing all the content, and these days what I try to do is I try to pre-film a lot of content so that at any given point of time मेरे पास अगले 15 दिन का content ready हो, so that I don't have to worry about the future coming up videos.
Going to take a shower. Shower done, also washed my clothes.
Post finishing my study goals for this day, I also decided to do a little bit of research for the upcoming products for Ekami also. I'm really sorry to tell you कि इतने महीने हम जो products नहीं ला पा रहे हैं उसके लिए I'm really sorry. But I promise and I'm trying my best कि in a few months, in a span of like 2, 3 or maybe max 4 months, we will be launching a new range of products. And if you want to give us any kind of feedback, any suggestion for some product that you want, we are open because we're still in the ideation stage of the product lineup.
Okay, तो शाम हो गई है, but I don't know why मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था, तो I thought I'll go out, थोड़ा change of atmosphere हो जाएगा और थोड़ा सा मैं वॉक कर लूँगी. साथ साथ एक वीडियो आइडिया आया है, I'll try to implement that. And yeah, let's go.
I went out for a brisk walk and post which I was feeling really good. शाम को मेरा कुछ ज़्यादा करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. So I went out with a friend of mine and that change of atmosphere was really needed and it made me feel good. वापस आके the first thing I did was to clean up my room and to change the sheets. And I don't know about you, but मेरे कमरे में ना if I change the sheets, पूरा atmosphere of the room completely changes. I don't know what is it with it, but I think जैसे ही मैं कमरे में आती हूँ और मेरी नज़र पड़ती है एक freshly made bed with new sheets, it really gives me a lot of happiness. So this is what I did. Also quickly did all the झाड़ू पोछा. आजकल मैं 2-3 दिन में ही झाड़ू पोछा कर लेती हूँ in the room because the room, I don't know why, gets really dirty in just a few days these days.
To come here, our house, and
Not the thing that I should be mentioning in this particular video, but I wasn't feeling like doing anything else and I found out this very cute movie suggestion and I'm thinking of watching this, so I'll quickly watch this. ये 1.5 घंटे की movie है and I really want to watch it and you know have some comfort to myself, so this is what we are doing.
Alright then, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I will see you next Sunday 11 AM. Please do consider subscribing if you liked this video. Thank you so much.